Welcome. If you've ever found yourself lost in a busy Instagram chat, wondering how to reply to a specific message and keep the conversation clear, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to reply directly to any message on Instagram, making your chats more organized and easier to follow. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, look for the messenger icon at the top right corner and tap it. This will take you straight to your Instagram chats where you'll see all your recent conversations. Now, scroll through your chats and select the conversation where you want to reply to a specific message. Once you're inside the chat, find the exact message you want to respond to. This could be something your friend said earlier, a question in a group chat, or even a photo or video someone sent. To reply to that specific message, simply tap and hold on the message. After a second, a menu will pop up at the bottom of your screen. From the options that appear, tap on Reply. You'll notice the original message is now quoted above the text box, so it's clear which message you're responding to. Next, type your reply in the message box just like you normally would. Whether it's a quick answer, a funny reaction, or a detailed response, your message will be linked directly to the one you selected. When you're ready, go ahead and tap Send. And that's it. Your reply will appear in the chat with the original message quoted above it, making it easy for everyone to see exactly what you're responding to. This feature is especially helpful in group chats or when conversations get long, so you never lose track of what's being discussed. Now you know how to reply to a specific message on Instagram chat. Try it out the next time you want to keep your conversations clear and organized. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting!